learn with the hard stone, you will not get anywhere.
Okay.
Because you're still learning.
You're still, yeah.
And if it is hard also, that's embarrassing and sometimes you won't like it. So when you learn, because some people started with clay. Yeah,
Okay.
and it gets to them and eventually they go to stone.
Yeah.
Some.
So one of the things I want to do is just generally as an artist is the thing I noticed about our history, not country but family history, and I think it's in all families. But normally it's the men who are talked about. Even when I track my, how the other day I was talking about my ancestor Vachifedza was like ndo masizi ndo Vachifedza vevairera vevacho kuti ndizvikwanise kutreka inini kuti ndakazvarwa nani tikasvika panani vese varume zvozogumira family tree yacho vanenge vari varume kusvika pana Vachifedza vacho. But even if you look at other history, whether it's zvemutupo or ndezvemhuri, normally the women are forgotten. So one of the things I want to focus on is the women, the forgotten women. Yekuti zviro zviedzwa chembere youkwaChivi yakabika muto yakabika mabgwe ikamwa muto zvainzi ndivachipedza vairewo because hanzi zvakanga zvaitika ndizvitirai vagore renzara and vana vaita kurara nenyaya saka to trick the children kuti vafungoti chikafu chiri kuuya vakangogadza matombo pamoto vana ndobva vafila kuti nhasi tinodya ndobva vopedza kwanisa kubata. So hanzi ndopakabva tsumo kuti zviro zviedzwa chembere youkwaChivi yakabika mabgwe ikamwa muto. So another idea yandaindinayo inenge iri kuti it's a woman who's drinking from a Harare or something, I don't know. Again it just goes back to that history, that culture, that lineage. So I can either do Vachifedza veza mukuru or I can do chembere youkwaChivi yakabika mabgwe ikamwa muto. So I don't know if it's possible for a beginner like myself. But those were the ideas that have been. What am I going to create? What am I going to make? Those two stories were the ones I was just thinking it would be nice. It would be nice to come up even with something simple, but Shingo Burita, that concept. I think whether it's abstract, whether it's realism, it's going to. I want to focus on women. I also maybe like some animals, but I think my animals will probably be abstract. But the reason my animals is to kind of keep that mutupo thing running. Yeah. So whether it's an fish or an amkanya or whatever, but I think it will either be women or animals. And this would teach us that I'm a piece mangani. 2, maybe 3 if I'm lucky. I don't know, today feels like it's more practical than theory. Yesterday was about learning, the history of sculpting, the different designs. Just it was more about looking and learning. Whereas today there's a lot of doing. I'm actually working, so that's the difference. And also, I started this piece yesterday, but what tends to happen is I think as your piece takes shape, you become more and more confident. But yeah, so today I'm feeling confident because my piece is taking shape and I'm becoming more and more confident. Asking the guy who works here how they extract the stones from the earth, and he was explaining that it's quite a manual process, so which was quite interesting, that they use hammers and other tools to actually break up the massive stones. So that was interesting, because I thought they might use dynamite or something else, but no, it's a manual process. I think it's high. I've enjoyed the trip here. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what to expect, but it's a very beautiful environment. I love the energy around here. It's probably coming from the stones as well.
You're free.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's nice. No, it's been such an experience. I think even I'm so glad. Yes.
You know.
Yeah. I know it's like an unforgettable experience. Munobwana mukana yekuexhibita here kana kuti munotomboshandira zvenyu muri kwanapa kuiti zvema exhibition?
Kune vamwe vanoenda kuma-exhibitions house.
Okay.
Totine vamwe vachitori paizvozvi, vamwe vachangodzokawo, vamwe toplana kusimuka kuenda.
Okay.
Tichienda nemukana yatinenge tawana.
Saka vanhu vakaona vanotogotanga vachifinishira vavo and then vozowana
unondochiedza ukwanise kudzidza kuziva because ukatanga nekuti ndakupesa zviri izi kana wakatarisa asi ukazotora panji nesando aiwa pane nyaya unotora
kutozviona kabhozi saka wakatarisa munhu achizviita zvinoita
zviri nyore.
Washington Kurai Madamombe. I was born in 1989 September. I'm in the industry of making stones. If I say make stones, I'm trying to say in art industry of sculpture. I grew up in a family of art. My mom was my inspiration. She's the one who taught me how to do all this stuff. This style is my mom's style. It's called white opal, type of stone. By me, I've got my own style. I make abstract pieces, and I make different style, even mixed media.
Okay. So I'm going to do a breast here and a hole here to just signify the female form, which is the portal for life.
And how are you feeling about it?
Oh, excited. I love it. It's hard, but yeah. Nah, today was a great day because I feel like there's an end in sight with the first piece. Chembere, youkwaChivi, yakabika, mabgwe, ikamwa, muto, because we actually cooked the stones today. Carved the stones that the woman cooked and drank the broth. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I think the shape is pretty much there. But yeah, I'm really pleased with progress today. And then not only did we make a lot of progress with this piece, but we also started on a new abstract piece. Still haven't quite decided the name, but at the moment I'm calling it the portal. Yeah.
Why the portal?
Because the hole we've just made here represents the female form, and many people know that women are the portal through which all human beings come into this world. So yeah, so this is a female abstract.
Today was a good day. That was a hard work.
Yeah.
She's never resting. So she was working on that one in the back part of her mind because she lifted this piece in the morning. The piece was there. She was working and the back side was like
Thinking of this one.
The next piece.
definitely at the final stages. We're now sending, which is like the final stage. The first piece I think is we're getting there. I've started sending, and I suppose I would say the second last stage, because we'll need to polish the bits that are being sanded now. But yeah, I think it will definitely be ready for the exhibition. There's a lot of work. That still needs to go into it. I think maybe just considering that it's like really hot here. Yeah, that obviously affects how you work, because when you're hot you kind of get really tired. Whereas in the UK it was cool. The temperature was cool, so it wasn't as challenging as it is to work in the heat that we were. But we're definitely hanging tonight with more options. The paintings have to go up tonight. I'm excited, but I'm also a little bit worried. I mean, because there's potential activities that might hinder the event. So I'm hoping that the event goes ahead. I've enjoyed it so much, and I actually wish it was longer. I actually wish it was longer, and I think I might actually arrange to do another residency. Maybe next time. But yeah, I've enjoyed it so much, so it's quite sad actually that it's coming to an end. I don't think I'll finish my second piece, which is fine, because it's good to take your time with the piece. So I'll still exhibit the unfinished piece, because I'm sure people will be interested in seeing the process and all that. So yeah, so I'll exhibit 2 pieces, but so one will be finished eventually.
Yeah.
The piece is
like,
nice.
oh, thank you. Sometimes that doesn't come also to you, just sharing someone's heart.
Yeah. That's true.
I'm just deeply grateful that Agnes was willing to share her knowledge with me. It's been an amazing 2 weeks. It also just wasn't about sculpting. With so much to talk about, with so many things in common. It's like I've made a new friend as well. So it's really been amazing. It's really been amazing. but you know what? I'm quite like to do a solo, and I thought I was doing back here where most of my old friends and family are.
Quite an interesting story. Samantha is a multi-award winning author. Here writes, done writer. But she's got this innate ability to actually venture into different disciplines of art. You're here to witness one of them, and two actually, the sculptures you've seen in there. Then you see some notes of intimacy, strife, love, hints of some funkiness in some corners, but essentially we're trying to portray Samantha as who she is to you. So my job is not really to say much. I introduce to you guys Samantha.
Hello everyone. Despite being a writer, I'm not really a talker. So I'm not going to spend too much time talking. But I just really want to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for coming. I don't take gatherings like this for granted. You know, sometimes people just don't turn up because they've got other things to do. They've got better things to do. But all of you guys are here because you prioritized my event, and I don't take that for granted. So thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoy the art. I think the artworks, they speak for themselves. But if you've got questions or if you want to discuss any of the works with me, I am available and I'm happy to talk about the work. So yeah, feel free to come and pull me to the side and ask or you know, what is this, or you know, whatever. So yeah, so that's that. And I just want to thank a few people. I don't even know where to start because so many people were involved in preparing this exhibition. Obviously, Simpiwe, my curator, thank you so much. You've worked so hard to make this happen, and I am very, very grateful for your efforts. Majita, who was assisting Simpiwe, thank you so much, Majita. You outdid yourself. I'm eternally grateful for all the hard work. Hope for playing beautiful music. Thank you so much for coming to play. Thank you, JJ, for allowing us to use your wonderful space, and even just trusting us to convert this is a film studio and a film school, but JJ allowed us to turn it into a gallery for a week. So thank you so much for having that trust and believing in the vision. Thank you. Those who follow me, I suppose, on social media will know that I've been doing a stone sculpting residency over the last 2 weeks, and today was my last day. I just really want to thank Agnes Nyanhomgo, who's been teaching me to sculpt. She's here tonight with us. Agnes is very humble and wonderful and patient, but really she's the best woman sculptor in the country. Her works are widely exhibited all over the world, including at Atlanta Airport, in the States. Amongst her collectors are Oprah Winfrey and Maya Angelou. So her works are really world renowned, and I feel very, very lucky to have been taught to sculpt by such an amazing, you know, powerhouse. So thank you so much, Agnes, and thank you for coming to the exhibition opening as well. Thank you. And just, I don't know, like, thank you everyone. I can't name everyone. Thank you, Shingi, I saw you just arrived. Thank you, Shumba. Thank you, Auntie Kiri and Vela. Thank you, like, you know, everyone who's there, Kungu, Tima,